Alrighty guys, welcome back. Subs and Paws. Go to Subs and Paws, youtube.com guys. Check out my channel there. Have a bunch of 1600 videos guys. I'm going to be having a new lithium battery company, brand new company. I'll have a discount code for that company coming up. So stay tuned for that. We're going to give this guy some power. Towards the end, we're going to give it more power. We're going to get her flexing, see what we can get for power. Let's get it, guys. Alright, I got it on the dyno down here, so I can flip it down, show you guys the dyno. There we are. Alright, let's see what we're getting for power right off the bat here. It's not going to be a lot. I got it turned down. Alright, 100 watts, 400 watts, 500, 800. There's almost RMS. That was 1179. Thousand watts there. Let's watch your flex a minute. Woo! Yeah. Let's give it a little bit more. We're not clipping. Now this is in my house. When I put it in my car, I think the impedance changes because I'm in such a big room. But when I put it in my car, man, wow. The power and the impedance drop I get in my car is crazy. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, I'm gonna put it on dyno power. Get for dyno power. Alright, I'm gonna try going up a little bit more. Go up to the 41 I got. Okay. Hey guys, if you haven't already, don't forget, like, share, subscribe. I'll show you guys the dyno in a second. Show you what we're getting for power here. 1360. I appreciate you guys watching, guys. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.